From rock to powder, the amazing journey of cement making. Ever wondered how that ubiquitous grey powder, the backbone of our buildings and bridges, comes to be? We're talking about cement, folks. And let me tell you, it's a whole lot more interesting than you might think. We're about to get down and dirty, exploring the fascinating journey of how cement is made. From the moment that raw limestone is pulled from the earth to the final product ready to build the future, we're breaking down the entire process. Get ready to get your hands dirty, metaphorically speaking, of course, as we take a deep dive into the heart of a modern cement factory. The Big Dig, mining the mountain of limestone. Our journey begins where the earth meets the sky at a limestone quarry. These massive open-pit mines are where giant excavators and dump trucks rule the roost. They're moving tons and tons of rock every single day, extracting the crucial ingredient in our recipe for cement limestone. We're talking massive chunks of rock here, some the size of small cars. These behemoths are loaded onto trucks and hauled off to the crushing plant, the first stop on our cement-making adventure. The air here is thick with dust, a testament to the sheer volume of rock being processed. This is a dirty job, no doubt, but it's honest work and somebody's got to do it. Our rock crusher symphony, turning mountains into meal. Imagine the roar of a dinosaur amplified tenfold. That's the sound of a rock crusher in action. These mechanical beasts are tasked with taking those massive chunks of limestone and pulverizing them into manageable pieces. It's a symphony of steel and stone, a carefully orchestrated ballet of crushing and conveying. The limestone, now reduced to rubble, is sorted by size and sent onward, ready for the next stage of its transformation. The recipe blending the perfect mix. Cement isn't just ground up rock, you know, it's a precise blend of ingredients, each playing a crucial role in the final product's strength and durability. We're talking about clay, iron ore, and even a touch of gypsum, all carefully measured and added to the mix. Think of it like baking a cake, except instead of flour and sugar, we're using crushed rock and iron ore. This raw mix is then blended to ensure a consistent recipe, ready for its next fiery ordeal. Chapter 4, Trial by Fire, inside the preheater tower. This is where things start to get really interesting. The blended raw mix is fed into a towering structure known as the preheater tower. Think of it as a giant vertical furnace where the raw materials are subjected to intense heat. The preheater tower serves a dual purpose. It not only starts the chemical transformation of the raw mix, but also recovers heat from the kiln, making the whole process more efficient. It's a marvel of engineering designed to maximize output while minimizing waste. Chapter 5. The Dragon's Breath clinker is born in the kiln. Now we come to the heart of the operation, the fiery crucible where cement is truly born, the kiln. This massive rotating cylinder heated to a scorching 1,450 degrees Celsius is where the magic happens. The preheated raw mix enters the kiln and begins its slow tumbling journey through the inferno. As the materials bake in the intense heat, they undergo a series of complex chemical reactions. It's like alchemy in action, transforming ordinary rock into something entirely new. Chapter 6, Cooling the Beast, from fiery inferno to manageable mass. Emerging from the kiln, the newly formed clinker, small hardened nodules of raw cement, is still glowing hot. It's crucial to cool these clinkers down quickly to preserve their quality. This is where massive cooling fans come into play, blasting the clinker with cool air. The temperature plummets rapidly, halting the chemical reactions and preparing the clinker for its final transformation. Grinding it out from clinker to cement. Now that our clinker is cool, it's time for another round of grinding. The hardened nodules are fed into giant ball mills along with a touch of gypsum, which helps control the setting time of the final product. The mills roar to life, pulverizing the clinker into a fine grey powder, the cement we all know and rely on. It's a testament to the power of these machines, capable of grinding rock into a powder finer than flour. Chapter 8. Bag it up. Ready to build the future. The freshly ground cement is whisked away by a network of conveyors and stored in massive silos, towering structures that dominate the factory skyline. These silos are the final holding area before the cement is packaged and shipped to construction sites around the country. From here, the cement is either loaded in bulk into trucks or bagged for smaller projects. Each bag is a testament to the hard work and ingenuity that went into its creation, a small package with the potential to build something extraordinary. Cement, the foundation of our modern world, and there you have it. The step-by-step process that ensures high-quality cement for building projects all over India. Remember, this method saves energy and water, follows environmental regulations, and includes quality checks at every stage. From the quarries to the kilns, the men and women of the cement industry work tirelessly to create the essential ingredient that forms the foundation of our modern world. So, the next time you walk by a construction site or drive across a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of cement from rock to powder and the hard-working folks who make it all possible.